Animation and movie making. Learn the interface of leading software tools for animation and movie making. Today, animation industry is taking off exponentially. More and more people are being enthusiastic about getting into animation and movie making. Animation and 3D modeling has been very good way to present imaginative stories to the audience. Stories that can be hard to present in form of real people and scenes. These tools allows us to dramatize those stories into vivid and animated content. And here is the list of courses that you will learn in this category. Adobe After Effects, Adobe Flash, Adobe Premiere Pro, 3ds Max and Maya. All these courses are related to 3D modeling, animating those models and doing VFX. If you want to create animated movie, then you will have to do 3D modeling first. And we have included courses where you will learn to do that. If you have already shot a movie and you want to do post-production things like movie editing, color correction and VFX and other effects, then you are at the right place. These courses are all about the professional software used in current movie making industry for post-production and animating process. For example, Adobe After Effects is all about motion graphics and 3D effects after the movie has produced. So in a way, it is both animation as well as a post-production tool. Flash is also an animation software widely used especially into the browser games like Candy Crush and Farmville. Adobe Premiere Pro is used to do editing, color correction, transition and some cinematographic enhancements. 3ds Max is a software for 3D modeling and it provides a lot of functionalities for creating realistic 3D models. These 3D models are basic building blocks for any animation project. Maya is also a 3D modeling software with a different set of specialities. After learning softwares in this category, you will be able to broaden the scope of your career. You can take part into 3D modeling or animating those models to create movies, or you can just take part into movie editing. This category will teach you enough about these software to get you started, and with practice you will be able to take it to a professional level. It takes time to learn, but it pays off when you master these skills. We are so much excited to teach you these courses and see what you can do with these courses and how you can improve your work. See you at the course page.